We'll wrap up our unit on quadrilaterals talking about something you're probably familiar with, calculating perimeter and area of polygons. So we'll go through some of the formulas that we use in that, and then in your assignment we'll do some application with that where you can apply that and put that in kind of a more real situation or a more challenging situation than what you're used to before. So perimeter, remember, is the distance around a figure, and when it's not a polygon, it's a circle, we talk about it as the circumference distance around a circle. Area is the amount of surface covered by a figure, and the space in between the perimeter. Measure perimeter and circumference in units such as meters and feet, linear units, and area is measured in square units such as square meters and square feet. So the formulas for perimeter and area. So perimeter is, add up four sides, so 4s. Area, side times side, side squared. Rectangle, we have two lengths and two perimeters that we add up, so 2L plus 2W, and area is length times width. Triangle, we add up all the sides, A plus B plus C. And in order to find the area of a triangle, triangle is half a rectangle, so it's base times height divided by 2. And circles, we'll get to that more when we get to our unit on circles. But to calculate the circumference, it's 2 times pi times radius, and the area is pi r squared, where pi is that ratio of circumference to diameter. So we could also call circumference pi times diameter. So I'll just let you do the practice here. Check in when you're ready. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangular basketball court shown. Restart it when you're ready to check it out. So we add up all the sides in the basketball court, 84 times 2, and 50 times 2, we get a total of 268 feet. Multiply length by width, 84 times 50 is 4,200 feet squared. Important thing is just getting the right unit when we do that as well. Circumference and area of circle, same thing. We've got its diameter is 9 centimeters, and you're ordering circular cloth patches for your soccer team's uniforms. We don't know the circumference and area of the patch. So circumference, pi times diameter, and we can leave it in terms of pi. I'll just show you how to do that. So pi times 9, we could say that that is 9 pi. And if we want to approximate it, we'll multiply that by 9, or pi is approximately 3.14. So 9 times 3.14 gives us 28.26. And if we want an approximate measurement, 28.26 are measuring in centimeters. And area is pi r squared. So our radius is going to be half the diameter, so our radius is only 4.5. So pi times 4.5 squared. And so we could keep that exact and take 4.5 squared and say it's 20.25 times pi. So we can say 20.25 pi, or multiply 20.25 times 3.14 and get 63.585 centimeters squared. So once again, let's make sure we get the correct unit. Whether it's circumference, it's linear. If it's area, it's square units. And we finish up by talking about the triangle. Find the perimeter of the triangle on the coordinate plane. So you're going to have to find the lengths of the sides first, and then calculate the area. So pause the video, try it on your own, and start it when you're ready to see the solution. So to find the perimeter, I had to find the lengths of each of the sides. QS was easy because it's just a horizontal length of 4. QR, I had to use the Pythagorean theorem. So up 4 over 3. 4 squared plus 3 squared is 25. The square root of that is 5, so QR is 5. RS, I went over 1 down 4 to form my right triangle. 1 squared plus 4 squared. That gives me 17. The square root of that's about 4.1. So when I add those up, 4 plus 4.1 is 8.1, plus 5 is 13.1. Then the area is base times height. Base of 4, height of 4. So 4 times 4 divided by 2 gives me 8 square units. So as I mentioned, you've probably learned how to calculate perimeter and area before. So I just showed you the basics and the formulas to refresh your memory. And then you've got some practice where it'll be a little bit tougher. And you can apply that knowledge that you've used before.